Hey, everyone. I've got a question for you. What if skincare wasn't just about the products you use, but the energy you bring to it? Think about it. What if your skincare routine could be a moment of calm in your chaotic day? Today, I'm sharing a routine that's not just easy and effective, but also makes you feel good. Let's ditch the cluttered counters and complicated steps. This is skincare simplified with a twist. Wake up your skin. Literally. Start your morning by shocking your skin awake. A splash of cold water not only helps reduce puffiness, but also instantly tightens your skin. Bonus, it's free. This is called a mini wake-up call. And it's more effective than expensive morning serums. The 30-second layer and lock trick. Instead of piling on multiple products, use this layering hack. After cleansing, pat on a hydrating mist or toner and immediately follow it with your moisturizer. This locks the hydration in before it has a chance to escape. Think of it as giving your skin a cozy blanket to wear all day. Feed your skin from the inside out. Skincare doesn't stop at what you apply. It's also what you eat. My go-to? A handful of berries every morning. They're packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. And when I'm feeling fancy, I sip on cucumber or lemon-infused water. It's like skincare, but from the inside. Customize your sunscreen with a glow boost. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, but who says it has to be boring? Add a drop of your favorite face oil to your sunscreen. Your skin will glow and feel hydrated all day long. Trust me, you'll never look at sunscreen the same way again. Nighttime skin check-in routine. At night, don't just slap on some products and call it a day. Take 2 minutes to check in with your skin. Does it feel dry, oily, tired? This will tell you whether you need a simple moisturizer or a nourishing face oil. Skincare isn't one size fits all. It's about listening to what your skin needs that day. Bonus, make it personal. Here's the best part. Add a small personal touch to your routine every week. For me, sometimes it's using a jade roller. Other times it's writing a little reminder to myself on my mirror. These small moments make skincare feel less like a chore and more like self-love. And there you have it, a routine that doesn't just work but feels good to do. Remember, skincare isn't about perfection or having 10 steps. It's about creating a ritual that fits you. If you're ready to try something new or have your own tips to share, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in the next video.